picked it up and I thought I'll give Swami again. He just walked away. When he walked away, no, I came crashing down here. Standard, 1998, I had joined the hostel in the higher secondary school, and I used to miss my parents. That is the time when I used to remember, that my mother always said that from now on, you're directly with Swami. Swami is your father, Swami is your mother, Swami is your, means whatever relationship you think of, that's Swami. Okay, so I said, Swami, then whatever I tell anybody, I am supposed to tell you, and I have to tell it to the photograph. So I used to keep telling Swami in the photograph that, Swami, I am supposed to tell you. And so I began to get attached to that. That was my communication. Even today I do that only. And in the school they would give us these sheets, for Likhita Nama Japam sheets. So you can write whichever God you like. So basically spend some time on Namasmarana. So everybody used to mostly pick up this Om Shri Sai Ram, Om Shri Sai Ram, Om Shri Sai Ram. For some strange reason, I began to write, I love you Swami, I love you Swami, because I don't know, I was missing everything, and I was also pining that I want some chance, because that was the reason why I had joined as a student, and that didn't seem to be happening. So yeah, my emotions came out that way. So I began to write, I love you Swami, I love you Swami, I love you Swami. So Swami means I was very secretive. I didn't want anyone to see that I'm writing I love you Swami, I love you Swami, because I thought what they'll think. I mean, today I know half of the world would have written I love you Swami. There's nothing very one-to-one about it, but that is the thing. I felt very personal, so I didn't want anyone to see. Then in the evening, Ram Mohan sir, others, they come and collect back here, like some assignment. So I was thinking how I can give this, because mine doesn't have Om Shri Sai Ram. So I just said I won't submit. The one person comes, collects and goes, no, I just won't give mine, let me keep mine. I can't give this is very personal. So I will not give. But then I got to know why they are collecting it for our Vibhuti packets packing. Or even when some new building was being made, anything, along with the foundation, they put this. It's like symbolic that this building doesn't stand on concrete alone, it stands on the Lord's name, like that. So they are going to offer it to Swami basically. When I got to know that, I started feeling bad. I said, oh, you know what? Everybody, what they are doing is going to go to Swami. Only what I am doing, is not going to go to Swami. So what to do now? But I can't give also. I don't want to submit it. Then I thought best thing is, just like how people hold letters, I'll hold this. I'll hold this and give, this will be my love letter. So I didn't take all the sheets, I took one sheet, the representation sheet, and I was saying, Swami, today you have to take this, because this is not any letter, this is a piece of my heart. Not a piece of my heart, this is my heart. I'm offering my heart to you. Went to Mandir, that time the second block we used to call it, where later the teachers began to sit, the right side of the current day Mahasamadhi. That block was still available for students those days. So I was seated there, but I was in the middle of the block. So nowhere near the first line, at least 4 lines away from all 4 sides. I was wondering how I'll give this letter to Swami. But in my heart I'm going on telling Swami, what may you have to take this letter, because this is my heart I'm offering to you. Darshan got over, Swami had gone into interview room. After interviews he came walking out. He came walking into the portico, upper portico, then lower portico, and he was standing there facing us. Suddenly, with his eyes he just told like this, which meant make a space. Just like wherever Swami wishes, a path is made. Yeah. So Swami just says that immediately they make a path, and the students made a path. And when the path was made, I became first line in that path, though I was in the middle of the block. I felt so thrilled, I felt like some Dhruva or Prahalada. I was thinking, see, they prayed and the Lord came for them. Similar way, I am praying, the Lord is coming. He is coming for me only. For whom else otherwise this path? This ego is so subtle, yet it's just waiting here to raise its hood. I just felt like that. I felt like I'm some supreme devotee of the Lord. Swami comes walking and he takes my letter. And I am thrilled. But Swami, you have accepted my heart. So I bend down, I touch his feet, And as I'm raising my hand, I see a piece of paper fall. I saw it was my love letter. I picked it up and I thought I'll give Swami again. He just walked away. And when he walked away, no, I came crashing down here. Means I was thinking I'm Prahlada, Dhruva and all. I was totally dejected. I said, Swami, you didn't throw away a piece of paper, Swami. You have thrown away my heart. I offered my heart to you and you just threw it off. You know, what a lot of dialogues are coming. I'm feeling very sad here. Like, and I almost got off tears in my eyes. I'm feeling so rejected, so dejected, and I'm thinking, Swami, my mom told you are my everything, but you are throwing away my... All these things are going on. Swami had walked, he got down the steps of the second block. There was the devotees and some other staff block. Speaking to some person, Swami began to wave his hand to materialize Vibhuti. Now, those days, any student who had a white handkerchief could go up to Swami and offer the handkerchief for him to wipe his hand. I saw nobody had come out. So in my pocket I had a handkerchief. So I pulled out the handkerchief, rushed to Swami. And Swami will not, it's not as if he'll welcome you, take your handkerchief and all. Swami will be interacting with them. You're supposed to pull out your hand with the handkerchief, and with the corner of the eye, Swami will notice it. So he'll just take the handkerchief, wipe his hand, and he'll be talking only, mostly. And as he's talking, he'll just throw it. You have to catch it back. So that is the... So I went and offered, and as he took it, I'm just looking at his hand. Because he'll throw it and I have to catch it. And now I'm just extrapolating. It happened all in a matter of seconds. But I'm going on looking at his hand. Swami is wiping, and I'm looking, waiting. When he'll throw, he's just not throwing it. No, what I didn't realize is, as I'm looking at his hand, Swami is actually looking at me. Going on looking at me. I'm not looking at him. I feel that's a symptom, that's a problem in all of us today, because we are so intent on the wonders of his hand, we forget that his loving gaze is on us. We are more interested in what his hand is doing, what he's doing, his creation rather than himself. But I was just looking like that. And when I think Swami realized that I'm not going to look at him, so with his other hand, he just patted me like that on the shoulder. That was when I looked at him. And at that time, I had totally forgotten about it because I was fully focused on this. With his index finger, Swami points to my letter, says, give that. And it was such a beautiful moment because when he's pointing like this, it's not only the letter, it's also my heart. I felt it so symbolic. Means, just some time back I said, Swami, I gave you my heart, you threw it off. And Swami saying, no, I didn't. I'm going to ask for it and take it. And it's only after I gave him the letter that he gave me back my handkerchief, smiled and walked away, and I returned back. They say well begun is half done. I feel this was really a turning point in my life because, in one shot, I felt everything. I felt the love that you feel for someone who is very beloved. I felt the rejection that you can feel. But then I came to know that, Swami never rejects. And in fact, if at all he is rejecting, it's only to give an opportunity for something much grander. Possibly if he had taken the letter and gone, it would have just been Swami took one more letter. Because after that, so many letters you have given. But that, what Swami did has made it into an episode which I share with so many, and even now when I share, I feel so loved, so wonderful.
Ghananantva Ghanapati-gum Havamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jestarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspata Anashunvannoti Bissida Sadhanam Prano Devi Saraswati Vajebir Vajinivati Dhinama Vitrayavato Ganeshaya Namaha Saraswatye Namaha Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harigi Om Om Shanti 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 Gananantva tva gananam Gananantva Ganapatim tva gananam Gananantva Ganapatim त्वा गणपतिं गणपतिं त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे हवामहे गणपतिं त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे गणपतिगुं हवामहे हवामहे गणपतिं गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कविगुं हवामहे गणपतिं गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं गणपतिमिति गणपतिं हवामहे कविं कविगुं हवामहे हवामहे कविं कवीनां कविगुं हवामहे हवामहे कविं कवीनां कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तममुपमश्रवस्तम कवीनां कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तममुपमश्रवस्तमं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् उपमश्रवस्तममित्युपमश्रवः तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणः ज्येष्ठराजमिति ज्येष्ठा राजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणस्पते पते ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते ब्रह्मणस्पत आपते पत आनो न आपते पत आनः आनो न आनः शृण्वन् आनः न शृण्वन्नो न शृण्वन्नोतिभिः 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 सीदसीदोतिभिः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदोतिभिः सीद साधनगुं सीदोतिभिः सीद साधनम् ऊतिभिरित्यूतिभिः सीद साधनगुं सीद साधनम् साधनमिति साधनम् प्रणो न प्रप्रणो देवी देवीरप्रप्रणो देवी नो देवी नो देवी सरस्वती देवी नो देवी सरस्वती देवी सरस्वती देवी सरस्वती बाजेभिर् सरस्वती देवी सरस्वती बाजेभिः सरस्वती बाजेभिर् सरस्वती बाजिरीवती बाजेभिर् सरस्वती बाजिरीवती भाजिनीवती भाजिनीवतीति भाजिनी गति धीनामवित्रय धीनामवित्रयवत्ववित्रय धीनामवित्रयवतो अवद्वित्रयवत्ववित्रयवतो अवद्वित्यवतो ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः निडनपतये नमः निडनपतान्तिकाय नमः ऊट्वाय नमः ऊट्वलिङ्गाय नमः हिरण्याय नमः हिरण्यलिङ्गाय नमः सुवर्णाय नमः सुवर्णलिङ्गाय नमः दिव्याय नमः दिव्यलिङ्गाय नमः भवाय नमः भवलिङ्गाय नमः सर्वाय नमः सर्वलिङ्गाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवलिङ्गाय नमः ज्वलाय नमः ज्वललिङ्गाय नमः आत्माय नमः आत्मलिङ्गाय नमः परमाय नमः परमलिङ्गाय नमः एतत् सोमस्य सूर्यस्य सर्वलिङ्गस्थापयति पाणिमन्त्रं पवित्रं सत्यो जातं प्रबध्नामि सत्यो जाताय वै नमो नमः भवे भवेनाति भवे भवस्व मां भवोद्भवाय नमः वामदेवाय नमो ज्येष्ठाय नमः श्रेष्ठाय नमो रुद्राय नमः कालाय नमः कलविकरणाय नमो बलविकरणाय नमो बलाय नमो बलप्रमथनाय नमः सर्वभूतदमनाय नमो मनोर्बनाय नमः अघोरेभ्यो तघोरेभ्यो घोरघोरतरेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यः सर्वेभ्यो नमस्ते अस्तु रुद्ररूपेभ्यः तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे महादेवाय धीमहि तन्नो रुद्र प्रचोदयात् ईशानः सर्वविद्यानाम् ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां ब्रह्माधिपतिर्ब्रह्मणोऽधिपति ब्रह्मा शिवो मे अस्तु सदा शिवो नमो हिरण्यबाहवे हिरण्यवर्णाय हिरण्यरूपाय हिरण्यपते अम्बिकापते उमापतये पशुपतये नमो नमः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जातवेदसे सुनवामसो वमराति यतो नितहाति वेदः सनपसदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा नामेव सिन्धुं दुरिताद्यग्निः तामग्निवर्णां तपसा ज्वलन्तीं वैरोचनीं कर्मफलेषु जुस्तां दुर्गां देवीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये सुतरसितरसे नमः अग्ने त्वं पारयानव्यो अस्मान् स्वस्तिभिरति दुर्गाणि विश्वा पुश्च पृथ्वी बहुलान उर्वी भवातोकायतनयाय संयोः विश्वानि नो दुर्गः जातवेदसिन्धुन्ननावादुरितातिपर्षि अग्ने अत्रिवन्मनसा गृह्णानो स्माकं बोध्यवितातनूनां पृतनाचितगुं सहमानमुग्रमग्निगुं हुवेम परमासदस्तात् सनपसदति दुर्गाणि विश्वा क्षामद्देवो अतिदुरिताध्यग्निः प्रत्नोषि कमित्यो अध्वरेषु सना च होता नव्यश्च सत्सि स्वाञ्चाग्ने तनुवं पिप्रयस्मास्मभ्यं च सौभगमायजस्व गोभिर्जुष्टमयुजोनिषिक्तं तवेन्द्रविष्णोरनुसञ्चरेम नाकस्य पृष्ठमभिसंवसानो वैष्णवे लोक इह माडयन्तां कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गी प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। दाता पुरस्ताद्यमुदा जहारा शक्रप्रविद्वान् प्रदिशश्च तस्रः तमेवं विद्वा नमृत इह भवति नान्यपन्थायनाय विद्यते। सहस्रशीर्षं देवं विश्वाक्षं विश्वशम्भुवं विश्वं नारायणं देवमक्षरं परमं पदं विश्वतः परमान् नित्यं विश्वं नारायणगुं हरिं विश्वमेवेदं पुरुषस्तद्विश्वमुपजीवति पतिं विश्वस्यात्मेश्वरगुं शाश्वतगुं शिवमच्युतं नारायणं महाज्ञेयं विश्वात्मानं परायणं नारायणपरो ज्योतिरात्मा नारायणः परः नारायणपरब्रह्मतत्त्वं नारायणः परः नारायणपरो ध्याता ज्ञानं नारायणः परः यच्च किञ्चित् जगत् सर्वं दृश्यते श्रूयतेऽपि वा अन्तर्बहिश्च तत्सर्वं व्याप्य नारायणस्थितः अनन्तमव्ययं कविगुं समुद्रे तं विश्वशम्भुवं पद्मकोशप्रदीकासगुं हृदयं चाप्यधोमुखम् अतो निष्ठा विदस्यान्ते नाप्यामुपरि तिष्ठति ज्वालमालाकुलं भाति विश्वस्यायतनं महत् सन्ततगुं शिलाभिष्टु लम्बत्याकोशसन्निभम् तस्यान्ते सुशिरगुं सूक्ष्मं तस्मिन् सर्वं प्रतिष्ठितं तस्य मध्ये महाअग्निर्विश्वाचिर्विश्वतोमुखः सोऽग्रपुग्विभजन्तिष्ठन् नाहारमजरः कविः धीर्यगोर्वामदः सायि रश्मयस्तस्य सन्तता सन्तापयति स्वं देहमापातलमस्तकः तस्य मध्ये वर्णिशिखा अनीयोद्गा व्यवस्थितः नीलतो यडमध्यस्थ विद्युल्लेखे भभास्वरा नीवारशोकवत्तन्वी पीताभास्वत्यनुपमा तस्या शिखाया मध्ये परमात्मा व्यवस्थितः स ब्रह्मः स शिवः स हरिश्चेन्द्रः सोऽक्षरः परमस्वरात् हृदगुं सत्यं परब्रह्म पुरुषं कृष्णपिङ्गलम् ऊर्ध्वरेतं विरूपाक्षं विश्वरूपाय वै नमो नमः नारायणाय विद्महे वासुदेवाय धीमहि तन्नो विष्णु प्रचोदयात् स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण मयैर्महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
करे हम, पग पग ठोकर खाए। एक पग आगे, दो पग पीछे साए। तुम तक कैसे आए, करुणा सागर परम कृपालु साई। भगत वत्सल तेरो नाम साई। दुख भंजन तेरो नाम साई। भगत वत्सल तेरो नाम। तुम संग बांधी प्रेम की डोरी, तुम संग बांधी प्रेम की डोरी। सुमिरन करो तेरु नाम साई। सुमिरन करो तेरु नाम। पतितो धारण भक्त परायण, पतितो धारण भक्त परायण। परतीश्वर साई परतीश्वर साई भगत वत्सल तेरो नाम साई। दुख भंजन तेरो नाम साई। भगत वत्सल तेरो नाम। तुम संग बांधी प्रेम की डोरी, सुमिरन करो तेरु नाम साई। परतीश्वर भगत वत्सल तेरु नाम साई दुख भंजन तेरु नाम।
कोटि प्रणाम शतकोटि प्रणाम कोटि प्रणाम शतकोटि प्रणाम
प्रभु राम निराधारी अल्लाह के अवतारी प्रभु जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान नानक यीशु बुद्ध महावीर नानक यीशु बुद्ध महावीर सब साई भगवान सब साई भगवान जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान ये निराकारी अल्लाह के अवतारी प्रभु जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान नानक यीशु बुद्ध महावीर सब साई भगवान जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान जन्म जन्म मेरे साथ रहो तुम सत्य साई भगवान हे निरा
भगवते वासुदेवाय नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय हरि ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय हरि ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
भस्म विभूषित भवानी शंकर भस्म विभूषित भवानी शंकर भवभयनाश भोला शंकर भवभयनाश भोला शंकर हर हर शंकर सांब शिवा हर हर शंकर सांब शिवा हर हर शंकर साई शिवा हर हर शंकर साई शिवा भस्म विभूषित भवानी शंकर भवभयनाश भोला शंकर हर हर शंकर सांब शिवा हर हर शंकर साई शिवा ओम नमः शिवाय शिवाय नमो 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 भस्म विभूषित भवानी शंकर
जगतपते हरि साई गोपाला जगतपते हरि साई गोपाला सर्वोदारा साई नंदलाला जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला मधुराधिपते कृष्ण गोपाला मधुराधिपते कृष्ण गोपाला मधुर मधुर हे गान विलोला मधुर मधुर हे गान विलोला जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला जगतपते हरि साई गोपाला जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला मधुराधिपते कृष्ण गोपाला मधुर मधुर हे गान विलोला जगदोदारा साई नंदलाला साई नंदलाला जय जय गोपाला साई नंदलाला जय जय गोपाला साई नंदलाला जय जय गोपाला जगदोधारा साई नंदलाला।
शांति शांति शांति। भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Om Sai Ram, Bhagavan's counsel for today. To promote the best interest of mankind, you must cultivate the holy urge of service to others and the attitude of sharing. The paradox, service to man is service to God. Manava Seva is Madhava Seva, does not extend to all people. Those who reel off this axiom don't inquire who has to be served. They are eager only to fill their own stomachs. For this purpose, they restrict their mental horizons to the uplift of their own people. Thus, they lay waste the valuable education they have received. One forgets the fact that God is in perceptible form in all beings. Service rendered to any being is service offered to God. This has to be the chief goal of the educated. A human is God. Nara is Narayana. Every single act has to be elevated as an act of service to God. Jai Sai Ram. And now we shall offer Mangalarati to Bhagavan.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपति स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपति आश्रित कल्पलतीका आश्रित कल्पलतीका आपदार्णवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः जय बोलो भगवान